Hey guys, welcome to another video in which I'm going to show you top 5 video animation softwares which provide 2D, 3D and 4D animated videos. This video is going to be much important for those who are starting video animation. This video provides you a lot of value while you can see top free softwares which you can use to create animated videos. The video will contain 2D software, 3D and at last you will see a 4D animated softwares which will help you a lot. And plus all the softwares which I'm going to show you are very easy to use, beginners friendly, and it will make your career a blast. So let's get started. At number 1, I'm going to show you Sniffing Studio. It is a 2D video animation software which provides services of 2D. It is also completely free. It is easy to download. It is easy to use for beginners. It has 2 versions of download. One is a stable version and second is a development version. It is available on GitHub. You can see its features. It is a vector training, layers and filters, bones and advanced control. All these features are included in this software. It is very simple and it is available at all the systems. It is available in Windows, in OS and Linux as well. You can watch these testimonials or videos which show you the capabilities of this software, and you can use these according to your need. And it is a beginner friendly, so it's a very easy to use software for the startups and it's completely free. Number 2, there is another 2D animation software in which you can animate your videos. It is called OpenToons. It is a 2D software. It is also a very beginners friendly, very easy to use. You can use it in your videos animation help, and it provides a lot of values to your videos. You can also read it and you can see its features. You can see the results that it gives to you. The stunning changing picture style, the effect lighting is also mind-blowing, and wavy distortions mean clarity in your picture, and its functions are these. You can read it very smoothly and you can read all of these. It is also available at all the systems, and you can see it in GitHub or easily search OpenToons on your tab. So at number 3, we are going to see a 3D video animation software that name is DAZ 3D. It is a 3D animated software, so you can edit your videos according to your needs as 3D animation. It is very much clear, it is very much sharp, and it is very much mind-blowing. So it is also a completely free software. It is easy to use. You can see, if you want to make a complete tutorial on DAZ 3D, you can comment as you want. So you can use it as your video animation software. It is a 3D and it will provide you a lot of value. The next one and the 4th one video animation software is also a 3D software called Blender. You can watch this. It is easy to download. You can use. Let's see all these videos. How will you see its capabilities? And now just check out its features. Check out the features. The features are, it is giving us a lot of features really. You can see it is a rendering, modeling, sculpting, animation and dragging, grease pencil, VFX, results, simulation, pipeline, video editing, scripting and interface is also a great job. You can read these all. If you want to use this software, I suggest you. And if you want a complete tutorial of Blender or any software you want, which I'm showing you, you can comment me in the below section. You can tell me in the comment section, so I can make a complete tutorial in which I'm going to show you each and every features and will give you the easy way to create animation. Blender is also a 3D software, so now on we have seen 2 2D videos editing animation softwares and 2 3D. Now it's time to see a 4D animation software. Really, it's gonna be very huge one. 4D animation software. As you can take a look at a 4D animation software. It is the 5th one in my list, and it is Cinema 4D, in which you can made and create your animated videos as 4D version. Just let it be. It is a 3D application interface, just gone better in modern. It is the latest version. Now it is 4D. It was started in 3D. Now it has its capability of 4D. You can watch this video, so it will tell you all the features about Cinema 4D. You can read it carefully. You can see the 4D results which have been created on it. You can also watch all these videos so you can get better. chance to know it, you can create all of these. You can watch the result capabilities, and let's check out all the features which is provided by Cinema 4D. So just check out guys these features, just check out. I'm stunned to watch these. You can see track modifier tag, user interface enhancement. I'm just going to read it. If you want to know more, you can go search, and I'm going to give you the link in the description as well. You can click on it and you can read it itself. You will be amazed. I'm also capsules. It is 4D, you know, simpline import, polygon modeling, parametric modeling, volume modeling, sculpting, polypen, polygon reduction, texturing, node based materials. Really see how much features it is providing. A large number of features. You can choose the one you want according to your usage. I don't prefer to go for the 4D as a beginner because it is much expert version. So you need to start with 2D with simple interfaces and simple, and after a while when you are expert in simple, you can move to 3D and after it to 4D, but you can choose it as you want, but the preference is 2D, 3D, and the last one should be the 4D for you guys. So guys, it's complete for today, and you can see the fourth one. It is very much exciting one, the Cinema 4D. It is a 4D animation software. So all the 5 I have explained to you. If you want any of these to be a full tutorial which guide you to create a video from it, you can tell me in the comment sections. Hope you like the video. If you like, please smash that like button. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. We will meet in the next video. Yes.